Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat. This is a pretty short video. I just would like to update you on the project that I'm working today, and I also would like to show you a few of my and my daughter's completed diamond paintings. So my project is a full round drill diamond painting kit from Diamond Dots. Country Bridge. I purchased it from Walmart for around $40, which is pretty expensive. And to tell the truth, I have never seen this kit lower than the price of $30. I don't know why. And as you know, I love fall. It's my favorite season, so I thought it would turn out pretty good. This kit comes with 30 colors. There are two, um, yeah, I think there are two AB diamonds, and the rest are regular round drills. But to tell you the truth, from what I see, it's kind of turning out pretty pixelated. I was expecting it to be more detailed, but it is pretty early to judge, I guess. I'll wait until it is completed, and then we will see if it's gonna look more itemized than it does now. As far as I understand, the original artwork is done with like oil paints, and when paints are used, the painting itself looks pixelated. So maybe this is the reason why the diamond painting um, doesn't look as itemized as I expected as well. But when it comes to the technique wise, everything is perfect. The quality of the canvas, the adhesive, the diamonds themselves, you see this amazing sparkle. So as soon as I complete it, we will see the result, and you will decide for yourselves whether it's worth purchasing or not. Because again, this very image is pretty expensive. I'm not sure why. I rarely see it on sale, and even if it does go on sale, the cheapest that I saw was $30. So this is the first project I wanted to show you. The next projects are the completed diamond paintings of my daughter and myself. The first one is, I won't be able to pronounce that, poinsettia, whatever. So this Christmas flower that my daughter completed. What we did was we replaced only the drills in the middle with the sparklers. All the rest um, remained the same. We used the original drills. Now this is also diamond dots. This is the original picture. That's what uh, we did with my daughter. So we enhanced this very image with crystals, as you can see, for it to be more sparklier. And I think we achieved the desired result. Then these are the keychains, cats keychains. I did the unboxing, I believe, a few months ago. I purchased it on Amazon and took it to work because, when I was at lunch or if I had some extra time off, I was diamond painting it instead of just sitting and staring at my phone. So I really love how it turned out. These keychains had a lot of sparklers. They also had a lot of special drills, so they look amazing and they sparkle way better than on the camera. This is my daughter's accomplishments. I purchased it from Amazon as well. There were a lot of keychains for the kids. So, but again, off the camera, they look better and the sparkle way more intense than what you see now. And the last diamond painting that my daughter finished is this beautiful hummingbird. I actually purchased it in Macy's backstage. I had no idea that Macy's carries the diamond paintings. It is actually, this is the original picture. It is called Jewels by Number. Diamond art. Here, Jewel by Number. Here it is. They have a few more designs, so if you're interested, you can always purchase it on Macy's website. So you can compare the original diamond painting I mean, completed original and ours. So we also replaced a lot of diamonds with the crystals for the sparkle. And since Megan's father, or my husband, is having his birthday this week, so she decided to get him a gift and make it with her own hands. And of course, it's gonna be diamond painting. So she finished it today. It was really very cheap, around like $6 or $7. I don't remember, but it was super cheap. And she was the one who noticed it. But this diamond painting came only with around plastic or resin drills. No sparklers, no AB diamonds were included. All the ABs and crystals that you see now, that was our own substitution edition. So, replacement, better to say. So, this is it for today. Just wanted to show you our completed diamond painting and update you on what I'm working today and what for you to expect in the near future. The post review of the country bridge from Diamond Dots. Bye.